What's the meaning of civil list? Civil list. Civil list.
Civil list. Civil list. The civil list is a term used to describe the annual sum of money that the British government provides to the monarch. Its purpose is to cover the official expenses incurred by the monarch and the royal household in carrying out their duties. The civil list was established in the 18th century and has since undergone several changes. Today, it forms part of the sovereign grant, which also includes funding for the upkeep of royal palaces. The sovereign grant is calculated as a percentage of the profits made by the Crown estate.